How to swap Bitcoin to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So first things first that you want to do is to be able to, of course, receive Bitcoin from another source. You can click on Bitcoin over here and simply click on receive over here and simply copy your QR code or your code over here, which is your address, and use it to transfer Bitcoin into your Phantom wallet. So whether it's from Binance or any other platform out there. After that, you should be able to have Bitcoin inside of your Phantom wallet. After that, simply click on swap over here and you're going to select Bitcoin over here on the UPay section. So simply search WBTC or Bitcoin in the section. So if you have asset, which is of course it's going to be Bitcoin, it should appear over here. But for demonstration, I'm using WBTC over here. And after that, simply select or type how much Bitcoin you want to transfer. And you will be able to calculate here how much SOL you will be able to receive. So simply click on this button over here, of course, assuming you have the money, and you should be able to swap BTC to SOL on your Phantom wallet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.